So let's turn this on. So it is on. The kilowatt is saying 465 watts. The output here is saying 469 watts. So basically identical. Shows that this thing is pretty accurate. And I'm not hearing anything from the inverter here as far as noise, which will happen, when it's pushing itself. So at close to 500 watts, no effort at all for it to power something like this, which is pretty cool. I've got a little air compressor with flashlight, just plugged it in to the DC power. And yeah, just pulls 50 watts, but works fine. So this DC power works. It says it'll work up to 132 watts, which is pretty cool. You can also pull out of these DC outlets if you have a barrel connector like that. I don't have anything that'll charge at 100 watts, but this is a PD 100 watt, it says. So just testing it with a battery bank I have. And it's going 33, 42, 52, 64. So it's charging at 64 watts. It says 67 here, basically identical. But I think you'd have no problem charging at 100 watts off of that, which is pretty cool. Then charging that same battery on the USB-A ports. So these, I think, provide 30 watts total. So getting 19 watts, because it says 17 here. So a little over 15 each. I think if you had a different wattage amperage, you might be able to get a little more out of it. But yeah, I'm getting 16 watts. So charging, little battery, bigger battery. Gonna turn on the air compressor. I've got a 100-watt light that I'm using to put some light on here. Got this milk frother that heats up stuff. So I'll turn all that on. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 5 things. You can run a total of 10 off of them.